Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create the challenge in gcflearnfree.org for adding transitions and animations to Google Slides. So first of all, if you have never added transitions and animations in Google Slides, I highly suggest that you go through and read all of this information here, use the images to kind of get an idea of what you're looking for to add some transitions and add some animations. And then if you are done reading through that, or you already know how to add transitions and animations in Google Slides, you're going to go down to the challenge. So it's a big challenge and the exclamation point at the bottom of the page. And then step 1, you have to open the example file. So that will open the example file, and it's going to be a view only copy. So you have to go to the file menu and make a copy. So let me show you how to do that. So right here, you see I cannot edit any of this, so you actually have to go to File and make a copy. And that copy will automatically open up on your computer. Alright, next, step 2. With the first slide selected, add a flip transition, set the speed to medium, and select Apply to all slides. Okay, so transitions are how the slides themselves appear on the screen. So let me go to my editable copy here. This one, actually I think I do need to make a copy of this. So let me make a copy right here, give you some extra practice on how to do that. So File, make a copy, OK, and then it's going to automatically open up for you. It does save into your drive. Okay, so first you're going to select the first slide, and you are applying a transition. Now this is really easy in Google Slides. You'll see here is the shortcut bar. The transition button is right here. If you put your mouse over it, you get a mouse tip that says change transition. So I'm going to click on that. You get a panel over here to the right that says animations. Right now it says no transition is on this slide, and I am going to use the flip transition for this. And then it said it wanted it to be a medium speed, so you can make it slow, medium, or fast. So I'm going to select medium and then apply to all slides. Alright, and it applied that transition to all of the slides. And if you want to play that, to make sure that it did that, you can hit play, and watch it do its thing. See how it did that flip transition there? So I'm going to go ahead and stop that now. Okay, next direction. Select slide 6. So this is where you're going to do your animations. So I'm going to go to slide 6. And apparently there is already, oops, I need to go to my copy. Apparently there is already a transition, an animation on this slide. So if I select slide 6, I go over here. There is a animation. Let me see here. Select slide 6 and delete the animation that says fade in on click. So do you see that right here, fade in on click? Over here there should be a X button. All you have to do is click that, and it's going to delete that animation out. It says select the nice work text box and add a spin animation. So here's the nice work text box. I want to select it. I can click on the words, or I can click on the text box itself, and I'm going to apply the spin animation. So I'm going to right click on this text box and go down to animate. It's going to open this over here. Right now I have a it shows me I have that fade in transition. I'm going to add an animation, and I'm going to add to this the spin. Now on your computer you may have to zoom out to see that spin, because it's the last option there. It may be at the bottom and you can't see it. So you have to go up here and go to zoom and change that zoom to be a little bit smaller so that you can see the list. Alright, so there's my spin, and what else did it tell me to do? So spin animation, set the animation to happen after previous at medium speed. So spin after previous at medium speed. So right now it's a little bit fast. I'm going to change that to medium. Alright, let's go ahead and look at that and see what that looks like. So I went play to kind of preview it. And it's working a little bit slow. Oh, I need to press continue. That's right, because it's after previous. So I clicked on that, and there's the spin. All right, next we need to do step 7. Select the next week space, the final exit text box, and add an animation fly in from left and set it to happen after previous. All right, so I'm selecting this text box next, and I'm going to add an animation. And I'm going to, I think they wanted fly in from left after previous. And did they tell me what speed? No, they didn't tell me a speed, so I'm going to leave it at the speed that it's at right now. And then let me play that. Let's see what happens. Okay, and so I have to click on my slide. My nice work is spinning, and my next week space comes in. Now, last thing I want to show you is how to present. So a lot of you probably know how to present already. It's real simple. There's a present button up here. If you were giving this presentation in class, you would click on the present button, and it's going to start from the slide that is currently selected. And I need to click on my slide or use the space bar to transition through it. So nice work, and next week space, the final exam came in from the left. All right, I'm going to go ahead and exit out of the present, and that is how you do the adding transitions and animations challenge today.